Bitcoin casinos operate through fundamentally different mechanisms than traditional online gaming sites, and understanding these differences helps you grasp how crypto gaming platforms handle your deposits, withdrawals, and actual gameplay. When you deposit funds at a Bitcoin gaming site, your transaction processes directly to your player wallet within minutes. Because it bypasses traditional payment processes entirely, the blockchain handles settlement, which means you're not sharing bank details or waiting for intermediary approvals. The moment you place a bet on games like Crash, your wager and cash out happen through on-chain verification or instant settlement systems, and the multiplier you choose to cash out at determines your payout immediately, with winnings credited in BTC or other cryptocurrencies straight to your casino balance without conversion delays. What sets crypto gaming platforms apart is their game variety specifically designed for digital currency transactions. You'll encounter fast-paced options like mines, where you select tiles on a grid while avoiding hidden mines, and can cash out your growing multiplier anytime. The more mines you add to the grid, the higher your risk becomes, but also the greater your potential payout with each successful tile reveal. These platforms also feature classic Pokies, including Megaways slots that offer variable ways to win with each spin, accepting BTC bets just like traditional slots, but with the added benefit of blockchain verification for each result. The Provably fair technology built into many of these games lets you independently verify each outcome, something traditional online casinos can't offer, because their results aren't recorded on a public ledger. When you're selecting your first Bitcoin gaming site, you'll want to verify licensing credentials, check withdrawal limits expressed in crypto terms rather than fiat currency, and test the game variety available. Starting with familiar formats makes sense. Megaways Pokies function identically to traditional slots in terms of gameplay mechanics but accept BTC bets and payout in cryptocurrency, so you're playing a game you understand while getting comfortable with crypto transactions. Before depositing, review transaction fees carefully, especially if you're using Ethereum, because gas costs can significantly impact smaller deposits and withdrawals. Bitcoin casinos offer faster transaction processing and provably fair games that traditional sites can't match, and crypto gaming platforms provide unique titles like Crash and Mines alongside classic Pokies. But always verify licensing and understand blockchain transaction costs before you start playing, to ensure you're choosing a legitimate operation that fits your gaming preferences.